About this pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Uplander. This four-door minivan has a six-cylinder, 3.9-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.